Hmm. Oh yeah, we're fucking back. I love that. Mm, that's good. That is good. Okay, locked in. I'm excited, yo. I'm excited. I'm hoping. What's up, Lakesh? Hopefully, I pronounced that right. Uh, okay. Big Dilf. Hey, bro. It's these new candlesticks, bro. They make me feel some type of way, bro. Like I'm locked in. I'm locked in with these black and white candlesticks. Like it's clean. Um, I think we go higher on Nas. Maybe not today necessarily, but overall, like this is pretty clean. I'm gonna post a video about this. Could you tell me? Yeah, they're supposed to be inversely correlated. So usually when I do an analysis and I think, oh, indices is gonna go up, that means, so you see how we've been going down. If I open up the 15-minute time frame here, we've been see how we like kind of rallied up a little. Uh, down, up, just a, it's not that big. What is this? Oh, Monday. Okay, well the 15-minute time frame is not the most clear. I'm not gonna force anything. Overall, in the higher time frame, I am bullish. We did just tap into a daily fair value gap. Um, I don't know if it's gonna be a Monday low up week. Let's look at the S&P. I think S&P. Play low. Friday and play low and close above. Yeah, the drawn liquidity could be that swing high. Do you trade news? Well, what do you mean? Do I trade news like on news days or during news? Usually I don't like to hold a trade during news unless I mean to be honest I never really do unless I feel like it's gonna be not really low impact, like not really high impact. I think we just go with 15-minute market structure and we look for a long, and that's it. Like I think we just look for if we're gonna take a trade, we just we wait for price to come below midnight opening. We have new that 10, right? Could look for shorts, but if we're going short, it's only because we want to like it's gonna go up, go down to go up, in my opinion. So we'll stay on the 15-minute time frame here. I'm not gonna force anything. It's the first day of the month. I'm not gonna take no shitty trade. Living in a lone world, just a small town blue. Mm, It's kind of hard on this. There's something on the higher time frame. We did come back to that order. Wait, actually, there's nothing here that tells me to go short on the higher time frame. Even though I feel like it's gonna go down, I think the only way I can take a trade here is okay. We came down to these two down close candles, but like we've already traded so far into it. At this point, it's well, there is a 4-hour fair value gap here. So hold on now. That could frame a short for sure. If we start displacing and we want to go below midnight opening, I think that's a higher probability setup. Oh, do we get SMT there too? Is there SMT at the highest? Oh, there is. Oh, this is good. This is good shorts, bro. These are nice. These are nice shorts. These are nice shorts. What about US 30? Don't you think price needs to come down and fill out the gap first? Well, firstly, price doesn't need to do anything. Secondly, let me check US 30. It doesn't have to, right? Usually I just look and I see what's the most obvious drawn liquidity. You say this gap right here? Is that you talking about this? Yeah. Well, for starters, it's already tapped in. So yeah, sure. Um, the way I see it is we tapped into this 4-hour gap, I guess you could say, on ES, and we created SMT at London highs, right? So in my opinion, this is very, very, very high probability shorts. Okay, I'm boosting. It's not very, very high probability, but we have an SMT inside of a 4-hour fair value gap, and yeah, it's as simple as that. So if we start looking for shorts on ES, maybe we wait for a breaker or something. And then we look. Mostly I'm bullish, but yeah, you're right. Like there's equal lows over here that are nice and clean. If we get high low, higher high, lower low, I'd probably take a short right then and there. Well, not before 9:30. Listen, brother, first things first, nothing is mandatory. That's the first thing first, okay? Nothing needs to happen ever. Secondly, the way so I'm gonna tell you the sauce, all right? This is how you want to do it. Any gap, right? Any gap can be divided into 4 quarters. I don't have. Oh, I do actually. One sec. 4 quarters. Simple. 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. You see that? This gap right here? 4 quarters. If you're bullish, right? You don't want to see a close below 50%. Okay? If you're bullish, what you want is this. Well, I guess we didn't really push up here. But like for example, like there's no examples here. Like for example, this candle, you don't want to see it come this low. The best thing that can happen to confirm your bias is if you trade into the first quarter, or maybe just the 50%, and then you move up from there. If you start trading all the way down, and you don't, even if you don't close, okay, yeah, you want to look at the bodies. It's the bodies that matter. So you can wick all the way here, but if you close above 50%, that's what matters. So no, you don't have to fill up the gap completely. Even just one, right? This whole area is considered fair value. This whole box is considered fair value. So as soon as price trades into it, even if it's just this one tick, then it's considered fair value. So JP, what's up, man? Oh, did we just take London high on ES? Oh, we did. I like that SMT inside the 4-hour fair value, yeah. Yo, honestly, I think this is gonna dump without giving a setup. I think it's just gonna dump. I think it's gonna dump. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. If we get a FEG, market structure, FEG, bearish one, I'm gonna take it this early. So price basically doesn't tap always on the order blocks. Well, that was a fair value gap, not an order block. And bro, listen, I already told you, there is no always. Always, forget it. It's never always. It's all about probabilities and what's most likely to happen. I'm bearish. Yeah, if we get a displacement here, I think I would take it, bro. That's a breaker. If the FEG forms, I actually really like this. I know it's early, but we're inside of a 4-hour fair value gap. No fair value gap. We did tap into the breaker though. Let's see if it plays out. Oh, actually, did we tap in? Damn, we tapped into one tick. I took a trade like this in one of my back tests where no fair value gap formed, but we did tap in. Well, actually, there is a fair value gap there, but we already took out lows, equal lows actually. So look extra, brother. It doesn't need to fill the gap completely, and it doesn't have to tap into the order block. Price moves from like liquidity to liquidity, and then you just PD arrays to do so, right? So that's what you need to know. It moves from internal range to external range. However you want to see it. I feel like this is gonna go lower and not tap in. Actually, it's not a breakaway gap, so maybe. If we get SMT at the highs, oh no. We got the breaker, we got the failed inversion, but we already traded it so low, made equal lows. Bro, in my opinion, this shit is fucking going lower. There's SMT at the highs now. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait and see because holy shit. Overall, I was bearish on, I was bullish on the higher time frame, but overall, I think this is going not overall. I just think this is going lower. Put it on something like this. Target these equal lows. That's low hanging fruit right there. Do I think it'll play? You got the breaker, and there's SMT at the highs. So, yeah, I think this is going straight to TP. I didn't like that move on Nas either. I wasn't happy taking the breaker. If I wasn't, I'd put my stop loss right here, right now. Half a point. What's up, Paul? You know how you been, bro? Yeah, I didn't like that move on. What do you think about these black and white candles, bro? Yeah, I mean, isn't there news at 10? Let's see if the breaker forms on Nasdaq, right? High, low, higher, high, lower, low, and if there's a breaker here, I would trade. I would take the trade on Nas. You literally can't see. Oh, you've had black and white with black background. What about like this background? I don't like that Nas is literally just going up, and yes, it's not right. I don't want to take a trade in that condition. Like, okay, the SMT is there. I feel like for me, it helps me focus. What's up, Bando? You trading this or what? Okay, okay, okay. There it is. There it is. Right. Give me the breaker, and I will short this. To be honest, I think it's going like down, but we'll just take like TP here. Like we'll just take it here or something. We gotta be cautious of this 15-minute order block. But like I really don't care about that 15-minute order. Technically it's not a 15-minute order block. It needs to be in a discount for it to be a bullish order block. Oh, news in 10 minutes? Alright, let's see. Well, if it sets up here, I'm gonna take it. It would need to close below and there need to be no SMT there. So 931, 931. If we close below here and there's no SMT at the lows, I'll take the short. We'd have to close below. And both of them would need to go below. Where would I enter? Probably go for the FEG. Stop loss right there. TP right there. Oh, low hanging fruit. Like we partial there and then we take one off. We take the rest off this low. No FEG, no close below. SMT at the lows, so no setup. No setup. We wait. We would have been TP already if we took it on ES, right? This was the trade that we took. Wait, wasn't it this? Where are we? Oh no, we were only aiming for this low. Let's see. Step for waiting for news. Well, bro, I don't like how Nas is like just going higher and ES is just not doing anything. Oh, and then US 30 is just going down. This is very low probability conditions. There literally none of them are doing the same thing, bro. One of them's rallying, one of them's consolidating, and the other one is declining. Typical for first month. Right? They're just I don't know what the fuck it is. Like if they're trying to fill up contracts. But who put the dick emoji, bro? Of course it was Bando, bro. Well, news is at 10, so I guess we'll wait. We'll wait for news. Tapped into the 4 hour fair value gap on ES, and we wicked nicely. I'm expecting it to go lower. Right, no fair value gap here. I don't know where Nas is going. I mean, I was bullish higher time frame. I don't know if you guys saw my. Oh, actually, I didn't post a video yet. Shit, let me post it right now. What just happened? There's a 1 hour fair value gap. Where? Oh, oh, you want the bit? Oh, this one. Oh, yeah, yeah. Me too. Me too. Yeah, me too. Um, it's a little bit clear on. It's more clear on SES because there's a 4 hour SIBI that we're trading in. So I feel like. Wait, what? How is this? I just gotta post a video. Yeah, this is pretty bad, but hopefully when news comes, everything syncs up, or like maybe right now we can start syncing up. Tapped into the breaker, internal soup. Actually, it's just equal highs. Well, where's my X? I don't have an X. We would have got stopped out break even right there, hypothetically. Probably would have taken partial at these equal lows. It's 10 a.m. news, right? Can someone tell me? I guess I'll check. I remember looking last week. PMI at 10 a.m. Go, let's get it, man. First trading day of June. We got two brand new fresh accounts. We got this funded that we're trying to get a payout in. Okay, we're making higher highs on all, and fuck you guys 30, bro. Yeah, this is weird, bro. This is weird. Let's just wait and see. I'm more little leaning towards ES because it's respecting the 4 hour so far, but we'll see at 10. Um, US 30s. Hey, do it, bro. The first day, bro. Don't let the first day put you off because of something stupid. It's the first day. So far, the longs are only. But what is your strategy? What single thing you always work on? My strategy. I am gonna release my entire model. So, but I can tell you right now, basically, I get a directional bias. That's step one, I go into the marketplace with a directional bias. I think price is gonna go here. That's the first step. Actually, that's the second step. The first step is I look at the economic calendar and I say, do I even trade today or not? That's the first step. Is today tradable or not tradable? The second step is, am I expecting a large range day or a small range day? If I'm expecting a small range day, I don't worry too much about daily bias. I focus more on intraday bias, like 15-minute market structure. Um, so after that, I have my bias. Let's say it's tradable. I have my bias. Then I look at midnight opening price, right? If I'm bullish and we're below midnight, I'm looking for a bullish reversal setup. If we're above midnight opening price and I'm bullish, I look for a bullish continuation setup, and then vice versa. That's how I frame all my trades. And then my entry model, entry doesn't matter either. Either I do breaker, or I do market structure shift fair value gap, or I'll do a change the state of delivery if there's an SMT attached to it. So like right here, for example, I would short this right here. This candle right here. If this was the candle that entered the key level, but technically it wasn't, so we failed to take this high, which, oh no, we took it. This is some nice displacement. I like this. Do I take it? Is this the moment that we've been waiting for? Well, look at that. Well, we did leave those lows. I do like that. I don't know. I don't think I like it. I think I'm just gonna be more patient. I say closed up anyways. We did leave those nice lows though. Mm-hmm. I feel like this is really gonna make our run lower. Nice. Mark's midnight opening for us. That's really nice. Yeah, this is, I don't know, this is stuff. Let's, how can I trade this? What do I need? Maybe a breaker to form. High low. If we make a higher high, lower low, that will help me induce shorts. At this point we've already kind of done that though. Kind of just chopping. Right, I don't want to force anything in the choppy conditions. So I think the best thing that can happen is we take out these highs at 10 a.m. and then we short the 10 a.m. PO3. What's up, Armin? I think that's the best thing we can do. 10 a.m. morning. New thumbnails fire. Yes, it is, bro. Thank you, bro. It took me a long time to figure out how to do it, but I'm actually happy how it turned out. 10 a.m. news? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think the only way I can take a trade today now is we wait for 10 a.m. and if 10 a.m. can run the highs above 10 a.m. and then we short the idea of 10 a.m. open high low close or 10 a.m. power of three, whatever. The only thing is 13 minutes for this. 13 minutes. A lot can happen in 13 minutes. If we keep consolidating, that would be good. We can get a clean like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I'm not gonna force a trade today. It's also the first day, right? Um, Something else I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing weekly reviews. Um, weekly reviews. I was bullish here. What basically you trade? I mean, I trade pretty much everything. I trade forex too on my personal account, but I day trade futures. So every trading day, it's a nice displacement. But again, I think I have to wait for what I said I'm gonna wait for. Just because it displaces now, I don't want the 10 a.m. news lingering over my head. So hopefully it keeps consolidating, and then we get a nice sweep at like if we get a sweep at like 9:55 and then they start to display slower, I will take it because bro, what is this, man? Let's just okay, whatever. Because the 4 hour fair value gap, right? Bro, really? What's the fuck is going on here? So I pretty much trade everything. Appreciate you, JP. What do I think about sticking to one or two pairs? I think it doesn't really matter, right? As long as it doesn't really matter because, like, for example, for me, my model will work on any pair at any time. Not any time. Like, once it forms, it's right. It doesn't matter if it's freaking dollar. I personally trade dollar pairs because I'm just familiar with the dollar. Um, if you want to stick to two pairs, it's fine, right? If you're gonna stick to two, I'd recommend euro and British pound. That's what I trade the most. Um, you can stick to it. It's not really a big either or. It doesn't matter. It's whatever. It's just preference. Listen, in my opinion, bro, you shouldn't let other people. You should just do trade your model. If you have a model, trade it. If you don't, then you shouldn't be trading. You should be figuring out what your model is. And once you have your model, you just go trade, go practice, go trade live, go back test, go forward test, whatever. Do whatever. Just go trade and get your own data. Oh shit, we're displacing now, huh? Is it good enough? It's 950. Dude, that's a pretty solid fucking displacement. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. That's a nice breaker. I think with a displacement like that, I'm willing to take it because we really pushed away from the 4 hour fair value gap. We didn't just push away, right? We pushed away from the 4 hour fair value gap. Damn, bro. We just TP'd times four. Yo, I did call it a day. I did say I think we're going to go lower, but not give a setup. I don't think I can take a trade like this, bro. Like, I don't even think I can I'm just trying to post the RR now. Let's just keep watching and see what happens at this point. Um, I think these lows are very reasonable. 545, and then maybe London lows, or it wouldn't take Asia lows. Oh shit, then Asia lows for sure. Do you have an SMT there? We do 946, 943, 946, 943. We have an SMT here as well. I get it on a move like that. Well, I noticed in my backtest a lot that in the first day, the first Monday, sometimes it's choppy, but a lot of the time it does move as well, but it does not give an entry. It'll just go at some point, like just where could you enter here? I think the only entry that makes sense is like putting your stop loss. You'd have to put it to cover. You would have to put it here. You would have to. So you could try to get in on the breaker. That would give you 2R at that low we just put in. It's not bad. It's a little better on E. Actually, no, it's literally worse on ES. Would I take this? Like we leave this gap unfilled? But to be honest, I think it's just gonna displace lower now. Taking long under 0.0. That's what I wanted to as well. But if it looks like by the time we get there, initially I was bullish. I am still bullish. But if we don't, like I think we're going down there, you know? So you know what? I rate you Bando for rating. If that's a part of your model, bro, stick to that shit. I actually rely heavily on midnight opening, so. You don't really at all. For me, it just decides what model. Like I have 4 setups, right? It's either a bullish continuation or reversal, or it's bearish continuation and reversal. And I use midnight opening to determine that. At least that's what I've been doing in my back test, and to be honest, I like it. It really clears up things for me. You couldn't have even gotten on the inversion or the change of state of delivery. There was no entry at all. If you had a limit order, you could have just market ordered here. But I ain't about that life. No, no. I ain't about that life. Oh no. At this point, just put the stop loss at the high. Yeah, this trade, it's not a bad. I would give it like a B. B. The reason being is if we were to come all the way back up here, at that point I'm scared it's just coming for the high at that point, you know. So I don't want to be in that trade, to be honest. If we're really gonna come back all the way there, I think a current range premium discount on 1 hour. Yeah, I mean that works too. It's pretty much all similar. Okay, well, so far we've been reading price very accurately. So we are looking at these. I'm looking at this low right here. That's inside of a 50-minute fair value gap. That's what I'm looking at. This is my shit. We already took out 4 a.m. low. Now we have a huge SMT there. Just a small turn. We'll stay on the 50-minute. We're gonna stay on the 50-minute time frame for now until 10 a.m. hits. And we'll see how far we go. Oh shit, that's a huge ass imbalance. I didn't even see that shit. But yeah, that draw is definitely lower. Lower before higher for today, in my opinion. But is it a Monday low of week? We don't have to think about tomorrow. Let's focus on today. We have these equal loads. Yes, just took out London low. We still have Asia low. The thing is, if it does come back up here off 10 a.m. and it gives another setup, I will probably take that one short. Because now we have these perfectly equal lows as well. You guys see that as double bottom? I see that as not you guys. Retail. Ooh, it's gonna run right through those lows. Let's look for OTE. OTE is right at that breaker, right at that fair value gap. I'm happy with this short. I think this is a good short. I think this is a pretty good short. I don't want to keep my limit there because I don't want to get railed at 10 a.m. But I think, in my humble abode, this is a good short. We do have a huge SMT at the lows, but it's only on the 1 minute time frame. Like it hasn't even really formed. This is an OTE. I'm definitely still bearish. Why am I still bearish? We didn't take out really any lows below midnight opening. We did take out these lows. Open high. This could be high of day and low. Retracement. New York PM. Looks like a good short to me. 5 handles risk. What's 5 times 50? 250. Hold on. Ain't nobody trading. Ain't nobody trading. What just happened? I just would. Oh well, good thing we didn't have a fucking limit order there. Good thing we didn't have a limit order there. I was like, was it a different chart? Yeah, I knew it was just it. Um, okay. Well, looks like we're potentially getting an entry forming. Let's nice rejection right there. You could have right NQ would have gave an entry. I'm gonna need another entry now though, right? We did take out the buy side there. Where's my X, bro? I missed my X. That's my X right there. How would I take a setup here? Damn, if we close below this candle, I'd probably just take it, to be honest. Just right then and there. Like this. What am I targeting? Asia low, maybe. That's 1.5 R, bro. Fuck this. What the fuck is this, bro? Fuck a yes. Let's look at these lows right here. That breaker on NAS. Uh, this breaker right here that just formed. Oh, this one right here. Oh yeah, right in OTE too. We did call it out too. I said, look how nice that breaker is. But then I said, I don't want to, I can't trade it because that's really fucking nice. Inside the, wow, that's so nice. Right at OTE too. But yeah, there's no way we could have known that that was tradable. But it easily could have just taken that high, and if you had a limit order there. The question is, how do we participate in this? I like this. No fair value gap yet, so I'm not rushing. But I think these London lows are a reasonable draw on liquidity. Let's focus up here. All right, maybe if we get a breaker in here or a market structure shift fair value gap. ES Nasdaq being the weaker pair too. It's nice. See what we can get. We did change data delivery there, so could have entered on that. That was the trade I was trying to take on ES, but the RR wasn't good. I was thinking like this, like at the order block high, for example. So like I did see this high, low, higher, high, lower, low, right? But no clothes, so you can't trade that. It's not really clean. I think Asia lows are really good drawn liquidity. What would I need at this point? If we went up, took this high, and then displaced below, that would be good, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But it would be good. Mm.
Results on search.
Yeah, that's my Google. Oh shit, I just said it. It's probably gonna say something now. Yep, we were right about the bullish bias. Here, it looks like our high is definitely gonna get taken. I had a video planned and I never posted it, so no one's gonna believe me when I say, "Oh shit, I have the chart in my." I posted it. I did post the chart, so hopefully someone took advantage. I don't know if I could take a trade in these conditions. What the fuck is? No way, Kai joined my server. Let's go. I think these lows are gonna get taken out, right? Let's watch this order block. Looks like it might play out. I think this low is pretty probable for ES. Just 4 hour IRL to ERL. Um, like let's watch that low for sure. It's it's so like, oh, they're perfect equal lows too, bro. This is happening. These lows are gonna get run. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's fucking 4 point move. It looks like this is a propulsion block, kind of like order block. Yo, Puggy, you're gonna like this. Look at this shit, bro. Talk about the breaker, bro. Talk about that freaking order block, bro. Look at that price delivery. Beautiful. Beautiful price delivery right there. Clean. It's a nice clean move. Yeah. Okay, at this point, I need a breaker in here. Like, it's the only way. If we put in that high and then put in the low and then higher high, lower low, I can look for small profits at this London low. Right, I can't remember that. Like, we could potentially take longs. If I'm taking longs, we're sweeping London low and displacing up, right? It's already 10:06. We haven't even taken London low yet, so we can also look at 10 a.m. PO3. Okay, so we put in, what did we say again? We put in the high, low, putting in the higher high now. If we displace lower and make this a breaker, I'll take my short and I'll shut up. All right, that's all it is. Because not only will be that, but if we close below this candle, it'll be a nice change of state delivery as well. And then would I do it off the order block? Is the question. Bro, it's, oh, I was gonna say, what the fuck is that? It's so bad, RR. We should displace lower now. We shouldn't make another high. I almost just want to click shorts because I feel like it's gonna happen as I predicted, but I'm definitely not gonna do that. That's just greedy. I don't have to take a trade today. Um, but I think something might form here. Yeah, you take care, brother. Hopefully, I don't know what skate 3 is, but whatever it is, bro. Hopefully it's lit as fuck. Twin. Yeah, you guys are both getting off. Take care, guys. It's over for AM. You guys don't think this is gonna dump? I think we're coming for this London low right now. Oh, gonna dump, but yeah, it's not that nice. I feel you. First trading day too, right? You don't want to start off shit. Oh yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna take this. 5 seconds till candle close. If we can get a fill at the order block, that would be nice. I doubt we're gonna get a fill, but oh, we might get a fill here. If it's gonna trade that high, let's see if it forms a fair value gap. I'll leave my limit there. At this point, it's probably gonna trade into the breaker, I'd say. But we'll leave it at the CISD. Don't tell me I'm not gonna get filled by one tick. Don't tell me I missed my fill because I was one tick above the CISD. Okay, we should get filled. Yeah, okay, okay. This we're probably gonna trade into the breaker. That would have been a better fill. Maybe I should have actually prioritized that. But let's see if this can play. Right, make a run for London lows. First trade of June. I hope it works out for me. Pray, brothers, to get a FEG here. All right, just tapped into the breaker. If we inverse this, will I close? Nah, probably not. Because it's such a small range. Okay, nice move so far. Nice move. Right, our TP is currently this low right here. I think it's very fair in the range. Just full TP there. I'm not gonna. I'll break even after we take this low. It's a bad rejection though. I feel like it's gonna stop us out here. No SMT at the wick. ES so far looks not bad. Ideally, it just taps in and goes. Right? I don't want to see no dancing and wiggling. Hopefully, we can get a close. It's really Oh, there is a small fair value gap right here. Let's see. We might start off with a loss. Let me just put this one tick above. I always do one tick above. But it looks like, yeah, we're probably going to get stopped here. It's so strong. Yeah, we're out. We're out. I think I'm definitely done for today now. I'm not taking another trade. Well, we started June with a loss. That was a good trade, though. I'm just going to watch for the rest of... Where did that displacement come from, bro? Bro, why is it whenever I enter a trade, this shit happens? What is that displacement, bro? Where did that come from? We haven't had a displacement like that since 10 a.m. news. I enter shorts and we fucking displace like crazy. Long. SMT. Is there even SMT? Oh, from this? Oh shit, I didn't see that, bro. That's a bad mistake. I didn't even see that. I did not see that at all. Oh, we took out London low and displaced up already on ES. I might look for it long here. SMT with London lows. Right where midnight is. We have SMT with London lows. How the fuck did I miss that? I thought we had equal lows here. Look at that bullish breaker. Low, high, low, low. That's a bullish unicorn right there. I'm gonna look to take this. Just 2 micros. That's a bullish unicorn. That's your breaker. FEG. I did not see those. I did not know we took London low on ES. That's very significant. But this is a high probability setup. If I can get a fill here, the breaker with CISD with SMT at low took out London lows. This thing is fucking ripe. It's ripe. Let's go. This is a freaking good. This is a good fucking trade. I hope this gives me a fill. All right, we're in. Let's see how far it goes. Lower. All right, let's see. We tapped into the breaker. We haven't tapped into the order block. I think I'm just gonna let this run and break even. This is a lot better trade than the one I took. Right, SMT with London lows, and then early near midnight opening. We never tapped into the order block, so we could see an internal sweep and then go. If we start taking highs, do I take a limit here? I think I'll look for a sell one here. I gotta look for partials, right? That's sell one here. Sell one there. And stop. Sell. Isn't it buy? It's supposed to be a buy stop. I'm tripping. if we can make our money back. All right, we're deeper into the fair value gap. We swept that low inside. All right, let's see if we get SMT right here. That would be really good. And we tapped into the order block as well now. So we get the SMT here. I think we're primed for higher moves. Let's start June right, baby. Come on. Let's start June right. What's 40 points in one handle? Is it exactly 40 points? 45. 45 times 20. 90. You tell me I'm not even gonna end profitable, bro? How much should we lose on the first one? Oh, last 65. We'll be profitable in the first one. We do have SMT right there, but I'm not really missed a long entry. It might come back, but I don't know if you're gonna still take it if it comes back. We have SMT with London lows, bro. Is like a nice long in my opinion. So this trade will already make us profitable. If we hit the runner two, we'll be more than profitable on the day. So we'll keep the 1-in-1 limits there. I want to break even. Well, not yet, but we do have SMT right here. So internal soup entry. Should we really come back here? No, not really, to be honest. But let's see. Oh, we actually, ES never gave an entry, so I'm gonna let it play. If we lose two today, man, we lose two. It is what it is. I don't give a fuck. I'm not gonna be scared. Let's see. ES still hasn't given an entry. All right, we tapped in to the inversion price range, the BPR there. Another SMT. ES still refusing to tap in. I still think this is going higher, even though it's kind of trading against us right now. Eating breakfast? Well, that's your long entry if you want it. I don't know if it'll play out now that we already traded back. Looks like we might be starting June 0-2. I mean, I still believe in it. I just don't like the fact that we're still trading inside. Right? In fact, realistically, from now, ES just tapped in, right? So if we're gonna go higher, it really should be right now. Let's also mark out the breaker and see if we're trading below. I'll put my stop loss here. Realistically, we shouldn't be trading there. Not the FEG low, but let's see. It should be going higher now. Let's see if we can inverse this. If we can inverse this, I think we're golden. You're in longs. Good luck, brother. I hope it just off the OB. This candle right here. Get a nice inversion here. Give me a nice inversion right there. You know when I want to TP when ES takes the 10 a.m. high. What's 10 a.m. high? I just full TP here Is that even 2R? 1.5R. I'll leave the runner. Bro, why is it like every time I enter on a fair value gap, it gets fucking ran through? And then when I'm in a trade and there's a fair value gap, never mind. I'm gonna shut up. I was gonna say it never inverses in my favor, but that body would say otherwise. All right. I think here I'll probably put my stop loss as soon as we take these highs. As soon as we take sell limit 1, we're already profitable for the day. Start blowing the candle. I got you, bro. That was sus as fuck. I'm sorry, bro. All right. We're going break even. Wait, let's just take TP1 out, bro. Please, bro. Please just take my TP1. Don't tell me all of that was just for this freaking 1 minute high, you know? Oh, great. That's great. I'm putting my stop loss right here. Don't do that, bro. I should have taken a partial there, maybe. Like one partial there and then one partial here because that high we put in. Initially, this was the high put in. Let's see. Hopefully, we can just... Yo, look at that. It's inversion plus fair value gap. All in one. This looks really good. Trust the algo. ICT, ICT. Bro, I don't want to be like fiending, you know? Like I don't want to be... Nah, that's good. It tapped in. So far, rejecting. It's good, right? Bro, I don't want to be like fiending. But please, just let me start June with a fucking dub. I'm tired of losing, bro. I'm actually tired. I'm not even tired of losing. I actually don't care, but I just want to start off with a win, bro. We trade into FUG. Let's go up, you know? Do what you're supposed to do. This is second stage entry from the market maker buy model, right? So, let's get it. Let's see upwards movement. Because honestly, my stop loss is not that well protected, but like please don't make me put my stop down here, bro, you know? Like I'm not trying to... I mean, that's a good close. Right? That's a good close. If we could just start running higher for those highs. Do I partial here now? Nah, bro, fuck that. There's no SMT. I'm not partialing anywhere, bro. Taking my partial right here at 10 a.m. Bro, listen. I'm going to tell you something why this 10 a.m. high is going to be taken. Because if this 10 a.m. high doesn't get taken, that either means two things. One, we're only going to go lower or we're only going to consolidate. There's just no way. You feel me? Like that 10 a.m. high is going to get taken, bro. That 10 a.m. high is getting taken. I put my butt on the line for it, bro. There's no way this is the 10 a.m. high of the 4-hour candle. Especially when we're trading so close to it. And giving signatures like fucking market structure, fair value gap, inversion. Like, why is it trading lower, bro? You just expanded. Make a propulsion block. Right? There's your OB. Make another OB. Go. Go. Go make another one. I am tempted to break even here, though, to be honest. It's a little early. I feel like it's the right thing to do. It shouldn't even come back down here. I'm doing it. I'm putting my stop loss there. Break even. I don't care what happens anymore. Preferably takes this out, a high out, 10 a.m. We respected the OB nice. We pushed off the 1 minute fair value gap. We didn't take the high out. You're out. You're out. You're out. Oh, 1R, nice, but what'd you get your entry? Oh, you entered nicely on the order block. Nicer, better entry than me. You got your entry right here, right? You're fully out? I'm proud of you, bro. Good fucking shit. I'm not losing first day of June. Well, shit, me neither, bro. So please take my style limit. Hit my TP1. Well, at least I'm break even on this trade, but I already lost one, so It don't matter now. Oh wait, I just realized this P&L. I need to make 40 more to be break even on the day. So, but look, listen, it's gonna take 10 a.m. high. Look, you see this order block right here that just formed? This is the propulsion block. OB, PB. This is PB. Give me the propulsion block. I love bro. You don't want anything more than to be in a trade and you see a propulsion block. You feel me, dog? It really should not take this candle as low. No way, we just swept a high and formed SMT. I'm getting stopped 100%, bro. Go, go, go. Fuck that SMT, bro. To be fair, we're break even, so I'm chilling. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fuck that SMT. Go, yes. Take that shit. What is a propulsion block? Propulsion block is an order block formed off another order block. For example, see this order block right here? We pushed up. Let me give a better example. It's an order block formed off another order block. So right here, we had an order block. And then we pushed up and we formed another order block. Well, technically this one hasn't formed yet because we need a nice close above, but that's the idea. So imagine you entered off an order block and then price went up, went down, and then went up again. The second phase down is there's usually a propulsion block in there. Oh, it's hitting my stop 100%. My stop is so unprotected. Is that's the issue. Like it's probably gonna still take out 10 a.m. high, but my stop is just so unprotected. No, it's coming for that low. I'm gonna move it. Oh, it's too late, too late, too late, too late. All right, well, we made profit on that trade. Still down on the day. One. Damn, I risked a lot on that first trade, huh? How's that even possible? How much did I risk on that first trade? Wait, I must have done something wrong. How did I risk that much on that first trade? 1025? 1021? Well, at least we took a profitable trade right there. Wait, how much did I risk on that first trade? I'm gonna look for one more entry. So I'm really confident this 10 a.m. high is gonna get taken. But it has to be clean. Let's see. If we like sweep inverse, I'm happy with that. I'll keep my stop really tight. Maybe I'll just take it on the combine. Oh, SMT there. I'll probably market buy if we inverse this. Stop loss at the SMT low. Let's see this. This is a. I'm gonna trade this on my combine. I'll show you the trade I'm gonna take. Yeah. Unlucky. Unlucky. That first short I took was not good. And I guess somehow I risked. I only put in 3 micros though. How did I lose? I lose. I guess I lost like 200 on that trade, or I guess like oh, it was like 150. Oh no, it was like 140 risk or something. Yeah, it was like 140. Well, let's keep watching. That's a good take by Bando. Yeah. To be honest, I was bullish. I messed up today. I messed up today a lot. Yeah, I messed up today. I was bullish, but I don't know why. Yeah, there was SMT with London lows, I guess. So we still had Asian lows intact though. Like if you ask like what's the most obvious drawn liquidity? 10 a.m. high or freaking Asia equal lows, London lows. Like even just off that alone. And we weren't even below midnight, but we were on ES. Look at ES go. Off the 4 hour fair value gap. Like, did we have SMT at London highs too? And I missed it? Because I would have ignored this SMT to be honest. Our bias was fucked. I was all over the place today. What is this, bro? Mm. Too many mistakes today. I don't know why my freaking. What is this, bro? Open the charts, man. Bro, what is trading view? Thank you. Did we have SMT at London highs as well? No, we didn't. But like, look how clean it is. The shorts on ES. Yeah, I fucked up today, bro. I fucked up today way too much. 4 hour fair value gap. We swept the high. It's clean. Man, the best entry was this right here. And then we took another entry here, got stopped out, and it played out anyways. I overthought it, I think. Look how good this short is. Right off the breaker. But I missed it. I missed. Well, it was a news candle, so I didn't enter off of it. See if this plays out. We have equal lows. I almost want to take it. How much would be risk? 1, 2. Risk 80 to end break even. I'm turning off the 5 minute. Yeah, a better entry than that. We'll stay here on the 1 minute, I think. Stop loss at the OB high. Look at OT of this range as well. We're right at OTE. We can get a fill here, it'd be good. This blue. Let's see. We'll take it. We will take it and put our stop loss just above the FEG. Yeah, right above that change of state delivery. High. 0.7 is right in line with an order block. Closing the charts right after this. If it goes to the low or if it. I think the 5 minute just gave an entry. Oh no, it didn't. It is bad performance, but I give myself like a C minus. Give myself a C minus. Measured moves. Probably not gonna come fill. Equal lows are nice. Bro, how's my TP hitting when we take out the slow, which we probably will. Can get another second stage entry here. This breaker targeting Asia low. Breaker FEG. Less risk on this one. She took out Asia low. I think Asia low is in the scopes. I don't think I should take this. Low risk though. We'll go for it. We'll go for it. At London lows, we'll TP full. Or like leave one runner and whatever. See if we can catch it. Just, yeah, we might not catch it at all. Asia lows looks like really clean. Minute fair value gap is forming. It's gonna close in 13. So maybe in the macro we can get it like a setup there, but if we take out that low, I'm gonna close the charts. There's a bad performance. Today was a bad performance, but it's all good. Looking for a second stage entry. I would take a partial right here. If it gives me a fill, I'll take a one off here. And one off at London low. What? Oh, it's so stupid. All right, we're out. We're out. We're not taking this. We just took out London low. Look at Asia low. See if we can take them both. And maybe look for a retracement or something. Holy shit, we're already deep in on ES. Okay, the lows. Wait, no, we didn't. Ada lows is. Am I tripping, bro? Ada lows is over here. Good. We good. We good. I'm gonna probably just call it there. I don't want to take any more trades. We got 40 viewers today, though. I think that's almost a record high. We ended up one small profit and like one the is break even pretty much, and one loss. So we're gonna go journal that. We gonna go journal that. Take a picture of the executions. The short that I took was. Where's the short that I took? Oh, right here. FEG. And then I took the long. Let's just do this actually. Let's save the download folder. All right, we're gonna journal these trades. Minus 121.7. We're not gonna get tilted. It's chill. Minus 151. Wait, what did I say? 121.7 minus 121.7. Trade model. We took short and a long, which I don't usually do, but we took a bearish reversal and then a bullish reversal. The 4-hour PD rate. I don't even fucking know, bro. None. Um, make a note today. We're gonna have to bounce back from that because that was a very, very bad performance from me. Where could you have even gotten in shorts though? It's fucking shit. It didn't even give you a setup, bruh. Besides this one, which got stopped out. The only short here is this breaker. If you saw that form, you'd have a limit on the breaker, which I took. If you don't even get filled, do you get filled? It's a perfect entry. No, you don't even get filled. Oh, you do. No, wait. You do. You gotta be precise there. Yes, sir. That's a precise fucking entry. Could have taken TPs there. This is the setup that I practiced on my back test. This is a bad performance. That was a bad performance. Hopefully we can bounce back. Right, I'm not gonna let it change anything. We did enter off the inversion there too. You could have got an entry off the inversion or right here off the order block. Yeah, it's not a good order block. The good order block is shit. Not a really clean order block. I guess the inversion with the breaker. Inversion breaker must be like one of the strongest things. Like double confirmation. Yeah, I fucked up there. Well, it is what it is. We're gonna have to play comeback. There's only one loss, so we can. It's literally one day. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate you guys coming. Super good stream today. 42 viewers. I love seeing that. Right, it motivates me to lock the fuck in. Right, we got like I'd say like 6 trades, 5 trades left on my funded before it's gone. So hopefully we can win some. If not, then we gotta start passing these combines. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. How do I start?